pulling into VARSITY right on time. This is one of Queensland's 3 new trains.
I prepped it this morning at 2 a.m. and no faults, and it's all good to go.
Greg Mossop was at the helm for its maiden journey, carting passengers from the Gold Coast to Brisbane City.
I've been in the railways 47 years, so yeah, it's an honour and a privilege.
The next generation Rollingstock are sleeker, quieter, have new technology and better amenities.
They're pretty specky, I really like them.
But disability access remains a problem, particularly the toilets, inaccessible in a wheelchair for the 1 hour and 42-minute trip to the domestic airport.
There is a redesign to improve the dimensions and the access to the toilet module.
21 of the 75 Indian-built trains are in Queensland but need modifications. For now, they're only on the airport line.
People really like the certainty of the trains compared to the uncertainty of traffic congestion.
So everything has run to schedule and to plan.
Today, at least. There's just 2 of these new trains in service. There's a third on reserve, but QR can't confirm when more will be ready to hit the tracks.
With all the trains passing the appropriate testing and assurance processes, we'll see these trains rolled out over a gradual period, and they will be rolled out between now and the end of 2018.
Tom Hartley, 7 News.